Good morning! Are you ready for your morning routine?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm and stretch. I turn off my alarm and stretch. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning.
I take a shower and feel fresh. I take a shower and feel fresh. I get dressed and comb my hair. I get dressed and comb my hair. I make a cup of coffee in the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee in the kitchen. I eat a healthy breakfast every day. I eat a healthy breakfast every day. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I am ready to start my day. I am ready to start my day.
You did a great job today.